Hello Grace, I'm doing some edits on this beautiful lady. She was pretty amazing, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I basically do. So I would choose one of the photos, basically. Let's say this one I really like. And here I've got some actions, and I want to turn this image into a black and white. So I will just create new action and choose which action I want to play. I want to do black and white organic, and it's going to turn this into black and white. Now I think it's ever so slightly strong. So here I can kind of change. Actually, I might leave it. I leave it as 90%, and it looks lovely. And I'm gonna flatten that image. This is already after me editing these photos in a Lightroom, and this is kind of the final edit where I just change this into black and white. So this process is pretty quick, and I like it because you can see the end result. Before everything what I do beforehand, it takes me ages, but this is the most pleasurable side of it, because basically it shows you how quickly this is turning into black and white. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. See you. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this lady was pretty amazing. You would not guess her age, by the way. You can put in the comments and tell me what you think about her age. I should show you a different photo. Maybe I should show you this photo. Yeah, how old do you think she is? Put it in the comments for me and let me know. Bye.